2026 Honda Pilot. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. If you're looking for extras, look no further than these built-in features. Cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, memory seat, tinted windows, rear air conditioning. Ready to take home the car of your dreams?